Hello, what I bring you today is how to install a new LED board. Stay with me and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the board we are replacing. It has a difference. Look at the board. The one in this direction completely the same. The USB AV is the same. There is difference in this direction. The local TV antenna is the same. Auxal is the same. Both have two HDMI inputs. The difference is the board we want to change has VGA. The other place has a difference. We will remove the old board. When removing the cable, we must be very carefully not to break them because they are delicate. Next, we remove to the center and the key. Next, we disconnect the cable that goes to the screen. The red colored positive legs are where 12 volts in output. On the board, this is a positive with a white arrow. We measure the new board. On the new board, there is a white mark with my finger. It is positive. It is an LED driver. We have to be careful about the polarity. It can be used for a single or double backlight type. This is a speaker, this is a sensor. We face the board in one direction is correct. It wants to be cut in this direction, we will cut it carefully. Now I'm going to connect the wires. First, the backlight. Before connecting, we separate the polarity by continuity. We plug the speaker. We will install the key and the sensor. The screen cable that requires the most care is the positive polarity of the white color. The board will move and we will stick it privately so that it does not short. We have finished everything. Now we have to try. It works, but the screen is upside down. We need to fix it. We copy it to make it convenient to edit. As you can see, the brand is upside down. We touch menu plus 1147 to enter the factory. We enter the factory. First, we enter the general setting. We turn off the logo. We touch the menu and exit. Next, we enter the panel setting. Then go down to the mirror and turn off the on. Now that it is fixed, we will go out. We turn it off and turn it on to make sure it does memory save. Completed successfully. If you have any question, leave a comment, subscribe, like and share.